It's Chriso. Well, I've been 2.5 hours so far at this demolition. What I need to do is that wall there, because I think the owners, it was the same in the ensuite, the owners are wanting to replace all the piping that shows up, because they have had so many leaks in this house. It's incredible. Every sort of junction, this house is about 25 years old, and every join or junction, whatever you call it, is leaking, or it just blows out. And the plumber has been back about 9 times in the last 2 years. So as I strip out a bathroom and pipe gets exposed, they want it replaced. So it looks like I might be taking that sheet off there. I'm taking all this off, of course, because they want bats in here, soundproof bats. But whatever plumbing is exposed, so those pipes must come around to the vanity there and to there. So I'll be taking off all those sheets probably. Here I want to build a nice niche above the bath, the bottom of my niche, because it's a freestanding bath and they're a little bit higher than the old bath that I took out. So 900 is roughly about there. So I'll go off that stud work up here. I'll come across, put a stud in down there. So that'll be the niche for the bath. Cool. And then she can put all her stuff, like the big niche in the ensuite. I thought, oh Jesus, she's going to have trouble filling that up, but oh no, it's full. Woo! Far out. I'm going to come out. Well, I can come out to there, or say there, without moving that wire, that there, without moving that. That brings it out a little bit further. So that'll be the width of my shower, and I'll bring it out to there. So I'm roughly making the shower 100 mil both ways bigger, which is cool. So then I'll do my niche there, and there's a stud there going up that wall, so it'll be about like that. Niche there. Once I've pulled all that off, I'll frame it out. That mark up there lets me know that that is the width. So I'll start pulling that off. I'll be jackhammering up this. Some of this floor is drummy, but I won't be taking all of it up. I only need to take up about 15% of the floor. In refurbishment, you don't take up what you don't need to. If it's solid on the floor, why take it up and then put it down again? That's stupid. My tile on top will set it up like that, and that's fine. And I'll come right to that clashing strip there for the door. So I'll extend it. So that's cool. Now that's a nice flat floor. I'll give it a bit of a grind and prime it like I prime the walls. Here's a little bit drummy, but I think that's just the tile. You can tell the difference. So that needs to come up, and there's a little bit over there which I'll take up. And then I take up that hob and I take out the shower and then slope it down to the waist. I'm not putting in a strip drain in this one because it's unnecessary. It can just all flow to a new tile insert waist. Same as there. I'll cut that out, that waist, so I have room for a tile insert waist, and we're laughing. The owner's at the gym, so when he comes back I'll ask him, because I don't mind putting the sheets back. If he pays for the sheets, you know, it's easy peasy. He can pay for the sheets. I don't mind putting them back for no charge. God, it doesn't take long. Not long at all. Alrighty. I'll see you soon. This is Chriso. Subscribe to my channel, people. Help it grow, and you will always be able to see me then online, and maybe you might learn something. Who knows? A lot of people are. See you later. Ciao. So gloves on. Yep. Gloves on, and let's strip this wall. I've only cut through like halfway through that cement sheet. It's quicker and it'll break pretty easy. Instead of fluffing around, wasting time, causing untold dust, cutting right through all the way, no. I need to block up that hole before I go any further. So we'll use a bit of bandage. Anything will do. Like so, that stops any shit going down that pipe. I'll be doing the same with these ones when I get to the floor, but I'll be using a sponge or a bigger cloth for those. Okay, where's my hammer? Don't know, I'll use a big one. Oh, Jesus. Whew. Give me the gloves any day. And wash your hands afterwards. There's my chisel dizzle. Where the hell is my hammer? I found it. Stop looking, everyone. Was out in the other room. I don't know what the hell I took it out there for. You get that? So, Reese is coming tomorrow afternoon. Cockroach heaven. You don't even know what's going on behind the scenes, do you? Hey people. You know, and this chick that lives here, she's a clean freak, like mop out the bathroom every day, I've noticed, since I've been here. And I thought, Jesus, that's extreme. There you go. Doesn't stop the old cockroaches though, does it? It's a bitsa. Coming out in bits. That's better. That's great tiling, all right. See, 25 years ago, and yes, I've been around for 35, and I used to do that actually. It's sort of what went on 25, 30 years ago. And unfortunately though, it still goes on. But you see, that's been done. In the old days, you never used a notch trowel to do your walls. It was always a hand trowel, and you scoop up your glue and you smear it on your tile. Whooshka. You get a and it was always a smaller trowel than what I use now. And you scoop it up and you go whoosh, and then slap it on the wall like that, and that's what you got. Nothing is ever primed for dust or anything like that. And then you know, trying to stick over where it's been plastered, that's the biggest joke ever. But I still I still see it. Ow! I'll come back to you people, but yeah, classic example of how it used to be done. Oh yeah, I'm not even putting any pressure. But yeah, I think this glue was called in the day Chemflex, K-E-M Flex, and it was a 2-part rubber. You mixed it with your, and it was bloody expensive, eh? You had 20-litre buckets of your liquid and a bag of your modified rubber, and you mix it together. It was so expensive, but that was your glue then, and then your other glue was just straight cement base, no polymers, no nothing in it, like you have now. Okay, I'll come back to you soon. I'll turn off my thing. That's I'll take all this out to the to my rubbish pile. I'll have a bloke come in to pick it up in the next few days once I get a bit closer to finishing, and then my remainder can just go in the wheelie bin. Okay, well, it's going to be a smaller niche. I'll have to put a stud up there. It won't be as big. Because I can't disturb those wires. So that's it. Where my hand is, that'll be the edge of my niche. And might as well make that stud. So that'll be it. That will be the size there. But it's only the spare. It's only the bathroom. It's a spare. Never gets used. Only for visitors and relations. Okay. See ya. Ciao.